Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So guys, as you know, it's a review video and today I'm gonna be sharing my review on a serum which is from the brand Pilgrim. So it's their brightening serum which has unique blend of alpha arbutin, vitamin C, and also it has blueberry in it. So before I talk about this product, let me discuss with you why brightening serum is important और किनको brightening serum use करना चाहिए. Okay, so if you have acne marks, if you have age spots, dark spots, hyperpigmentation, or even if you have dull skin, then you should definitely include a brightening serum in your skincare routine because this serum will help to deal with all your skin concerns. Now talking about this product, so this is a brightening serum and it has 2% alpha arbutin and 3% vitamin C complex in it. Okay, so this brightening serum is also suitable for all skin types. So if you have sensitive skin too, then do not worry, this serum will work great on your skin. Okay, एंड ऑल्सो मुझे तो पिलग्रिम के जितने भी प्रोडक्ट्स हैं ना बहुत अच्छे से सूट हो जाते हैं एज आई हैव ऑयली स्किन एंड मुझे तो कभी भी कोई पिलग्रिम के प्रोडक्ट्स में कुछ भी ऐसी शिकायत नहीं आई बिकॉज द प्रोडक्ट्स ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ पिलग्रिम आर वीगन क्रुएल्टी फ्री डर्मेटोलॉजिकली टेस्टेड एज वेल एज फ्री फ्रॉम हार्मफुल एंड टॉक्सिक केमिकल्स एंड ऑल्सो प्लास्टिक पॉजिटिव एंड much more. Okay, so I will talk all about this product in detail about the ingredients and I will also show the application like कैसे skin पे एकदम से glow आ जाता है इसको लगाने के बाद. Okay, so let's just quickly get started, but before that please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I will really appreciate if you click the subscribe button below and be the part of the family. Do subscribe, and now without wasting time, let's just quickly get started. This serum is a unique blend of alpha arbutin, vitamin C, and blueberry. So the product is suitable for all skin types and it will cost you rupees 660 for 30 ml of the product. The formula is very lightweight. This serum has 2% alpha arbutin. So alpha arbutin is a well-known skin brightener that reduces the appearance of age spots, dark spots, and help improve skin tone. And 3% vitamin C complex. Vitamin C has been clinically proven to improve skin tone, texture, visibly brighten and reduce spots. And also this serum has blueberry extracts that supply the skin with nutrients that keep aging at bay and strengthen the natural defense barrier of the skin. Now this serum absorbs so quickly and it provides instant brightness. I daily apply this serum and you can see my skin is just glowing, and the serum is very lightweight, good for oily skin as well as it's suitable for all skin types. So yep guys, that's it. That brings us to the end of the video, and overall I found this serum a nice one, a decent one, because I have been using this product from the past few days, past 10 to 15 days, और मुझे मेरी स्किन पे फ़र्क दिख रहा है. मेरे एक्ने मार्क्स से, डार्क स्पॉट्स से वो बहुत हद तक कम हो गए हैं. 10 से 15 दिन हो गए मुझे यूज़ करते हुए, मुझे फ़र्क दिख रहा है, तभी मैं आप लोगों को रिकमेंड कर रही हूँ. यू कैन डेफिनेटली ट्राई दिस वन आउट. हल्की सी फ्रेग्रेंस है इसमें, वो भी 2 से 3 मिनट में चली जाती है और बिल्कुल भी चिपचिपा नहीं है. सो आप कभी भी इसको यूज़ कर सकते हो, एनी सीज़न लाइक समर्स, विंटर्स, कभी भी आप यूज़ करो. एज वेल एज आपकी कोई भी स्किन टाइप है, सब कोई इसको यूज़ कर सकते हो. बिल्कुल ऑयल फ्री है एज वेल एज ये वर्क करता है. आई विल it's from my side, it's a big thumbs up. You can definitely try this product. And also let me tell you, this is not a sponsored video, so this is my honest review and I really like this one. So yep guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope ये वीडियो आप लोगों के काम आए. अगर आपको थोड़ी सी भी अच्छी लगी है ना वीडियो, then please hit the like button and also do subscribe to my channel. Subscribing doesn't cost you anything but it will help me a lot. So please do that, and that's it. Thank you so much. I will see you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.